Good morning everyone. I am Nisha Dubey as a maths teacher in Krishna Public School. Yesterday we have completed question number 5. Now today we see question number how to convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Improper fraction को हमें किसमें चेंज करना है? Mixed fraction में. Only improper fraction converted into a mixed fraction. Now first part is 21/2. You know कि 21 is divided by 2. In table of 2, 2 10 20. We write here. Then 1 minus 0, 1 is remaining. 2 minus 2 is 0. Means जो रिमाइंडर है हमारा वो क्या होता, जो रिमाइंडर 1 is remainder here, 10 is quotient, 2 is denominator. 2 is dividend और 2 is denominator. Remainder is numerator and quotient is whole number. तो if we converted 21/2 into a mixed fraction, 10 is whole number, 1/2. Same way we also solve part number B, 63/10. Try it yourself. This is your homework. 63 divided by 10. 10 63 10 1 10 10 6 क्या होता है 60. 3 minus 0, 3 is remain. 6 minus 6 0 means 3 is remainder, 6 is quotient, 10 is dividend, 10 is denominator also. Remainder is numerator, dividend means denominator and quotient is whole number. Means you are 63/10 you convert into a mixed fraction. You write 6 whole number 3/10. 6 subtraction. Subtraction means minus. Then these numbers a part, these numbers are come in a given in a mixed fraction. These fractions are given in a mixed fraction. Firstly we change into a improper fraction. Then here we use denominator multiply by whole number, then plus numerator. Means 3 into 2 plus 1. Means first number is 7/2. Denominator as it is. In same manner part number 6. 3 into 2 plus 1. Denominator as it is. Means 3 into 2 6 plus 1 upon by 2. This is 7/2. Now second number is 5 1/4. Then we multiply denominator by whole number. 20 plus 1 21 plus 4 means second number is 21/4. Then these number come in improper fraction. Then we take a firstly LCM here. LCM 2 and 4. 2 1 2, 2 2 4. Firstly took the LCM of denominators 2 and 4. Then 2 1 2, 2 2 4. Then 2 1 as it is, 2 1 2. Then from means from second number subtracted by the first number. Then 21 minus 4, 21/4 minus 7/2. Here we take a LCM. The LCM is 2 into 2 is 4. Then LCM 4. Denominator LCM divided by the denominator come 1. Then 21 multiply by 1 here. Then LCM divided by denominator and then 4 divided by 2 comes 2. Then multiply by numerator 7 into 2. 21 1 21. Then 7 into 2 14 upon by 4. 21 minus 14 is 7/4. Then you also convert into a whole number in a whole number form. Then 4 divided by 7, 4 1 4 as it is 3. Remainder is 3. Remainder become a numerator and quotient become a whole number and denominator as it is. Now B part of question number 6. 4 1/5 from 6 1/5. Firstly we convert into a improper fraction. Then denominator multiply by numerator plus 1 in same manner. denominator multiply by whole number plus 1. In same way we also solve here. 21 upon 5 denominator multiply by whole number then plus numerator 43 upon 7. Okay, then we take a LCM here, 5 and 7. If both numbers are differ, no common number, then denominator, then LCM come directly. 7 into 5 is 35 is LCM here. 35 is LCM. Then LCM divided by the denominator means second term minus first term. मीन्स 43 वाली टर्म में से हम ये 21 अपॉन 5 वाली टर्म को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 7 5 जा 35. जो ये एलसीएम आया उसे हम किससे डिवाइड करते हैं? डिनोमिनेटर से. और जो डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करने के बाद आता है उसे न्यूमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 43 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 देन माइनस 35 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 देन 7 कम 21 इंटू 7. देन आंसर इज 43 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 is 215 and then 21 multiplied by 7 147 divided by 30. Then we subtracted 35. Then we subtract 215 subtracted 147. 215 minus 147 68. Denominator as is 35. Then it also convert into a fractional form. Then is also converted into a mixed fraction. 35 बन जा 35. 35 बन जा 35. Then remaining is 23. Then quotient become a whole number and then remainder become a numerator. This is 23 upon में 35. Then part number C, 2 1 by 2 from 5. Then this fraction mixed fraction converted into a improper fraction. 2 2 ja 4 then plus numerator 5 upon 2 from 5. From means second term minus first term. Then second term is 5 and second term is 5 by 2. Then here we take a LCM of 2 and 1. So 2 LCM is 2. Then we subtract LCM divided by the denominator, then 2 return back, then 5 into 2 minus 2 1 ja 2, then 1 5 into 1 means 10 minus 5 upon 2. 10 minus 5 is 5 upon 2. It also converted into a mixed fraction. 2 2 ja 4 and 1 as it is. D part is your homework. 5 upon 24 from 9 by 12. You solve simply in a same way. This is your homework. D part. Now see next question. Question number 7. Find the difference. Difference means क्या होता है? Subtract और माइनस. सेम किया है अभी हमने, बस उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? उसमें फ्रॉम गिवन था. हमें फ्रॉम गिवन था मीन्स कि उसमें सेकंड डिजिट में से हम फर्स्ट डिजिट को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. इसमें सिंपली हम फर्स्ट डिजिट में से सेकंड डिजिट को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. देन फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 2 by 2 upon 15 minus 1 upon 20. Here we take a LCM firstly. 15 and 20. 3 5s are 15 and 20 as it is. 3 5s are 15 and 20 as it is. 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Then 3 into 5 into 4 into 2. Then LCM comes 60. Then LCM divided by the denominator comes 4. So 4 multiplied by numerator. 2 into 4 minus 6. Here LCM divided by 20. Then come 3. So 1 into 3. Then 2 into 4 is 8 minus 3 1 ja 3 as it is. Denominator 60. Then answer is 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3, 5 upon 60. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10 means your answer is 1 upon 12. B part 3 1 upon 2 minus 2 1 upon 5. It given in a mixed fraction then converted into a improper fraction. डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय होल नंबर प्लस न्यूमिनेटर, मतलब 2 इंटू 3 6 प्लस 1 7/2, 5 इंटू 2 10 प्लस 1 11/5. Then we take LCM 2 and 5, 2 1 जा 2, 5 1 जा 5. Then LCM is 2 into 5 is 10. LCM divided by denominator, 5 come, then multiply by numerator, 7 into 5 minus, then second digit LCM divided by denominator, then comes 2 11 into 2, 7 5 are 35, 35 11 minus 11 into 2 22, 22 upon 10, 35 minus 22 upon 10, then we subtract here, then answer is 13 upon 10. It also converted into a mixed fraction, 10 with 10 and 3 is numerator, 10 is denominator, 1 is whole number. Part number C. 4 minus 1 whole number, 1 upon 2. Convert into a improper fraction, 2 into 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, then 3 upon 2. Here we also take LCM 2 and 1, then LCM come 2. Then LCM divided by denominator, 2 comes written back, then 4 into 2, then LCM divided by denominator come 1, 3 into 1. 8 minus 3 upon 2 equal to 5 upon 2. It also convert into a mixed fraction, 2 2s are 4 and 1 is numerator. D and E part is your homework. You do in a same manner. I read part number D. 6 upon 5 minus 1 whole number, 1 upon 6, and E part 4 whole number, 3 upon 5 minus 2. And now we start question F part of same question. 7 1 upon 2 minus 4 1 upon 5. Mixed fraction converted into a improper fractions. 2 7 ja 14, 14 plus 1 15 upon 2 minus 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 1 21 upon 5. Your LCM is 10 here, then LCM is 10, then LCM divided by denominator comes 5, then LCM divided by denominator comes to 21 into 2. 15 5 just 75, 75 minus 42, then 10. Your answer is 33 upon 10. Then 33 upon 10 also convert into a mixed fraction. 10 3s are 30 and 3 means 3 is whole number, 3 is numerator and 10 is denominator. Denominator is always same. Now continue question number 8. Simplify means in simplify the sign are given different. Here in first part both are plus, in another part plus minus. In simplification signs are different. Here we also try to solve question part number first. This is given in a whole number mixed fraction, then it converted into a improper fraction. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 means 3 upon 2. 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 7 upon 2, 4 as it is. But here is nothing in the denominator, we write here 1. Then we take a LCM. The LCM is same because 2 and 2 and 1, so you divided by simply 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 1 is as it is. Then LCM is 2. Then LCM divided by denominator comes 1, 3 into 1 plus 1. Then LCM also divided by denominator come 1, 7 into 1, then plus as it is. If LCM divided by 1 then comes 2, so 4 into 2. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 7 into 1 is 7, 8 into 2, 4 into 2 is 8 upon 2. Your answer is 18 upon 2. Then 18 upon 2 you convert into a mixed fraction, but 2 1 ja 2, 2 9s are 18. Your answer is 18, 9. Part number B of same question. Question number 8. 2 1/5 plus 1 1/4 minus 1/2. These digits come given in a mixed fraction, then convert it into a improper fraction. 2 into 5, 10 plus 1 means 11/5. 2 into 4, 1 into 4. B part. 2 1/5 plus 1 1/4 minus 1/2. Mixed fraction converted into a improper fraction. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11/5. 4 into 1, 4 plus 1, 5/4 minus 1/2 as it is. Here we take a LCM. 5 4 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 5 as it is. 2 1s are 2, then 5 as it is. 5 1s are 5. Then LCM is 20. Then LCM divided by denominator comes 4. 11 into 4 plus LCM divided by denominator comes 5. 5 multiplied by numerator 5 into 5 minus LCM divided by denominator come 10. 1 into 10. 11 into 4 44 plus 5 into 5 25 minus 10. Then 20. 69 minus 10 upon 20 as it is. Firstly we add both digit of those are having with plus sign according to BODMAS rule. Then your answer comes 69 minus 10 upon 20 as a denominator. Your answer is 59 upon 20. Then you convert into a mixed fraction. 20 2s are 40 and then remaining is 19. This is your numerator upon denominator. This is 2 is your whole number.